All right, today is Pamper Day, self-care day, beauty maintenance day, whatever you want to call it. Your girl's got to get her shit together. That's what today is about. So I wanted to share my updated pamper routine with you guys. Today is just all about me, and while the baby naps, I am getting myself together. I need to scrub off my tan, which most of it is kind of off because I took a bath the last 2 nights, so it kind of like came off. But yeah, I need to tan. I need to dye my hair, so we're gonna be dyeing my roots today together. I need to do some sort of little mini facial. Just gotta get this all together, beautified. I started off my morning with my Peak drink. This isn't sponsored by them at all. I love their Youthful Skin Duo. I started off my morning with the matcha. Gives me so much energy, and I love that it's organic. This is also made of only organic ingredients, so I absolutely love that. I needed all the energy I could get because Kylo woke up at 5:30 this morning, so praise Jesus for Peak. But I absolutely love this. It tastes so good. It's so refreshing and hydrating. Making sure that you're hydrated is just like key for your skin and honestly for your energy levels. Of course, I do have a discount code for it, so I will leave it in the description box. But yeah, not sponsored, just started my morning off that way, so I'm updating you guys. And I actually got my nails done this weekend because I desperately needed them done. They were looking so rough. If you follow me on Instagram, then you saw update you guys on my stories. My nails were looking rough. So I thought I would take you guys along with me and share my updated pamper routine. So let's get started. So the first thing I am going to do is color my gray roots. You can't really see it here because I put mascara to cover them up a few days ago when I went out. But I love using this L'Oreal Magic Root Rescue because it's so easy to use. It already comes with a little brush head that you can attach so that you can just easily do your roots. And I am literally, you guys, I know this is probably funny, but I'm literally only doing my middle part. I am not going through my entire head just because this is my little quick touch-up routine, and then I do go to the salon to get, you know, it professionally touched up throughout my entire head. But as like my quick little go-to, since I wear my hair in a middle part, I'm just touching up my grays down the middle, and I do like to bring it down to touch it up. Okay, so while I let that hair color just sit, I am going to shave my face. I have been doing this for years, you guys. No, it does not make your hair grow faster or thicker. First, I'm putting on some oil because it's just gonna make it super like slick so that when you shave, it's just very soft, smooth, and it's not gonna irritate your skin. I love these that I got from Amazon. And just look at all of that peach fuzz and dead skin. I'm telling you, when you shave your face, your makeup and skincare just applies so nicely. First of all, your skincare just gets to absorb so nicely in your skin. Look at that, so gross. And then your makeup just looks so smooth and airbrushed and filtered. I love shaving my face, and I always do my neck too. Next, I am going to trim my brows. So you can pretty much take any brow paste or hairspray and just really pull all those hairs upwards so you can see everything. And then I will just take a scissors and trim them in the shape that I like my brow, but just do not go too short. I've done that in the past and I regretted it. So less is more, just go slowly at a time and then you'll get the perfect shape that you like. And I love how they turned out. Kind of is giving me like laminated brow vibes. And I love shaving my hairline as well because I can't stand like all that extra hair when I put my hair in a ponytail. I just like when it looks clean. Okay, time to hop in the shower and rinse out that hair dye. I do keep the gloves on just so that I don't stain my hands or stain my nails, but you want to make sure to really rinse it out. Like I literally stood there for so long and rinsed it out just completely. I let the hair dye sit for about 10-15 minutes. And this is the shampoo that I'm using. I absolutely love the smell. I have been testing out so many different clean shampoos, you guys, and I'm still testing out so many. And I will let you guys know in an updated clean hair care routine. But I just go ahead and lather it, and I actually love to double shampoo just because I only wash my hair once a week. I want to make sure to really get all those oils out, and I just find it nourishes my hair the best too. When I get all those oils out through a first round, and the second round I can focus on nourishing my roots but also getting any leftover product out. And I don't rub it on my ends, but I do sometimes do it on the mid parts of my hair just because there's a lot of product there. So I will kind of go through that a bit. Rinse it out almost immediately. I don't really let it sit long. And I've been loving this hair mask, you guys. It does have a little bit of fragrance in it, but it's the last ingredient, so that just tells me there's not that much in it. But otherwise, it's very clean, so I love this company. This brand is amazing, and this hair mask makes my hair so smooth. I love going through it with this brush because it allows me to kind of like evenly distribute it, and it's so easy to detangle. Like, look at how easy it is to comb through my hair. Then I'm popping on my exfoliating gloves. I love this Attitude shower gel. It is so nice, and it's clean ingredients. I love that they don't use any parabens or sulfates or anything like that in there. And I'm basically just exfoliating my entire body so that when I put a fresh tan on, my skin is clean and smooth. Make sure to get behind the ears, everywhere you want your skin to be smooth. And then I am putting on some conditioner after I rinsed out the hair mask, of course. I usually let that hair mask sit for about 5 minutes, and then I put conditioner on my ends, let that sit for about a minute or two, and then rinse it out. And now I'm getting ready to do some skincare. I like to keep it very simple since I know I'm going to put some tan on my face. I'm using this Merit Glow Serum, the Weleda Light Skin Food Cream. I love it so much. And I feel like I'm the only person on earth that still uses Q-tips. I do not dig into my ears though. But guys, look how easy my hair is to brush because of that mask. Like, it makes your hair so silky, soft, and smooth. And the fact that it is like 99% clean is amazing. Like, it's such a great hair mask. I actually got it on Amazon. I will link it below for you guys. I'll link everything below, of course. But look how easy it is to brush my hair. I left the full clip in so you guys could see. And I love this little headband that Drunk Elephant sent me. Absolutely love it. I've been using it after every shower. Love this leave-in from Briogeo, you guys. It's 100% clean. Oh, I put this clip in here because I want to show you guys. I put this the night before on my bumpy arms because I do have KP, and I've really been loving this Pharmacy body lotion for KP. And now it is time to tan. So I love using this Attitude. This is actually a baby lotion, but obviously adults can use it too. But the reason why I use it is because the smell is so amazing. It has the prettiest, like, very light, soft scent that is just to die for. So I love it. I'm basically lotioning my legs and lotioning all the areas that tan can stick to. This is the tan that I have been using. It is clean. I love it so much because there's no crazy ingredients in it. And it's so smooth and lightweight. I like to apply a couple pumps on my chest and then arms and face and stomach. I do not tan my legs just because it would be a waste of product since it's winter and out. I don't show my legs. But I have been getting these weird patches ever since pregnancy, you guys, like these very red, dry patches on my face. So I'm just putting some of this Honest Balm on there and on my cuticles. Love this Honest Balm. It is incredible. And that is it for my pamper routine, you guys. I hope you enjoyed watching me pamper myself and do some self-care. Bye, guys. Mwah.